Just got my DYMO 160 label maker. Overall, I like it just fine. I did have trouble with the label cassette that was already installed in the label maker when I got it. I thought the whole cassette was bad, so I replaced it with a brand new cassette, and the new cassette worked fine. Then I realized that what was wrong with the cassette that was installed that came with the label maker is that the tape was not coming through these two little plastic guides. It was offset and didn't go through. So I just reset the tape and ran it through the little guide there, and on your very first print on the cassette, I would pull the tape out just enough so that when you install it, that the tape just comes through the top guide, just to give it a good start on your very first print. And then after that, you shouldn't have any problems. You hold the power button in just for a couple seconds. The default screen comes up, and I just select OK. Type whatever it is you want to print, then press the print button. And then you'll cut the tape here on the right by pushing this button. And there you go. You do waste a little bit of tape on that first print, but afterwards you shouldn't have to progress the tape anymore. It's just making sure that that tape that you install, that it goes through these little guides right here. And we'll print one more time. Cut. There it is.
All right, so this is a review for the DYMO LabelManager 160 handheld label maker. It's already out of the box. Turning it on, we'll start off from the beginning. So you have 3 batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Sorry, I was mistaken. It actually takes 6 AAA batteries. So it takes 6 AAA batteries, which is kind of steep. Because AAA batteries, you know, that's like $8 right there for just the batteries. But it seems to be holding the life of the batteries pretty good. This opens up and it comes with this tape. It's not very much. I don't think it's a full roll, but black ink on white tape. Now the 2 holes go on the bottom, so when you install it, you just make sure that it goes in, push it down like that, and then you close it and it's ready to go. So now when you turn it on, it shows up. It starts by saying DYMO. All right, and then you can change whether it's all capital or not capital. You can change the size of the font. You can put bold, italic, underline, and then you can also do it vertical. So if we just say hello, that's what it'll look like when it comes out. I'm not a big fan of the italic for this, but if I just go ahead and say hello, and then we print it, it'll print out the top. That didn't work. All right, well, as you can see, I guess I didn't put it in right because it just kind of stuck right there, so I'll have to waste some of that. Put it back in the right way. And then to cut it, I'm just messing this all up, show you how hard it can be. but it's really not that hard. Let's try it again. So print it. Cut it. There you go. Now that I think I have it the right way, let's try it one more time. We'll say goodbye, and that's how we'll finish. So, goodbye. Cut it. There you go. So I showed you how not to do it and then how to do it. So if you're looking for not a cheap, but if you're looking for a decently priced label maker, I would recommend this one. In comparison to a banana, a normal sized banana, you can see the size comparison. So there you go.
This DYMO label maker comes with, as you can see, it looks like a calculator. The menu button allows you to choose between tons of different, you could put parentheses, different sizes, all sorts of different options. And then about 10 different types of colors you're able to put in the back. As I have, as you can see, black on clear. The one right there is black on white. And you could just swap them in and out in one moment. And yeah, the thing is a great purchase.